But this is a question that I'm going to ask of you, Fowl. Why take you now to start a channel? That is just my question to you. Why did it take you so long to start your own channel? I know sometimes we have this tendency to say teamwork make the dream work, but sometimes the team collapses and people move on to their own separate ways. And that is why when you're a part of a team, you're supposed to invest in other business avenues while you're a part of a team. Thanks for tuning in one more time to Unbelievable, where we discuss unbelievable events, where we dissect and we go down and we assess the unbelievable things them that is going on around the world. And one of these topics which I will be talking about today is on the screen. The other day I did a video questioning what happened between Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV, Hidden Boss, and the great Fowl. Why Hidden Boss turned off the comments section over by Jamaica Hidden Beauty. So we said that we would do a follow-up video, and I am being true to my word, because right here we will be talking about the great Fowl right here. But guys, we just play the intro of Fowlwildlife Jamaica. That is his intro of his channel. You know, people are still speculating like what is going on with Fowl and Hidden Boss. None of them haven't said anything, but the both of them have moved on and doing their own thing. Hidden Beauty TV is doing his thing with some new members of the team, and Fowl is doing his own thing without no explanation to the viewers, to tell the viewers, say, okay, this is what is going on, which I think a lot of the viewers think that was very disrespectful of not like talking to the viewers them and let them know, so guess what, we're gonna split, we're gonna go on and do our own thing. But to each his own, every man reserves the right to do his own thing. But I believe within the realm of social media, or within the space of social media, knowing that viewers are the ones that pay those of you that are content creators, the content creating is your full-time job, I think that you guys supposed to show the viewers respect that is causing you to get a paycheck every month from YouTube. This is a question that I like to ask the great Fowl. Fowl, why didn't you start a channel? Why take you now to start a channel? Bro. That is just my question to you. Why did it take you so long to start your own channel? I know sometimes we have this tendency to say teamwork make the dream work, but sometimes the team collapses and people move on to their own separate ways. And that is why when you're a part of a team, you're supposed to invest in other business avenues while you're a part of a team, because teams go through team members and team members get fired, team members retire, and team collapses and team implode or explode. But this is it, Fowl. The viewers them respect you. The viewers them across the world, they respect you. And some of them also respect the rest of team members them over there on Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV. But you are the main character that the people them have come to know and trust and enjoy to tune into. You, Fowl. We all know that. We don't have to pretend. You see it. And I know that you see, it seemed to me that you're a loyal youth. You seem to be a genuine youth that is committed to anything that he put his hand to. It seemed like you are that type of person. You can see it. You're a humble youth. And People will have their negativity to say about anybody because, as I say, people reserve their right to say anything. It's your God-given right to have their own opinion. But me, you seem to be a humble you. But sometimes being humble, sometimes we get so attached to one thing that we think we can't branch out. And this chapter of your life right now is proving to you that you are capable of doing great things, great and extraordinary things. This chapter that you're going, whatever happened with you over there by Hidden Beauty, Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV, this right here is proving to you that you are greater than even who you think. The fowl that you think you were over by Hidden Beauty TV is not the fowl that is spreading his wings right here. I'm not here to tear nobody down. I'm not here to throw anybody under the bus. Anybody can understand. I'm here to encourage and also to shine a light, to show the unbelievable events. Because this right here, fowl, is unbelievable. Because you are now proving to the people that you can run a channel by yourself. This is you right here. And sometimes fall, some situation happens sometimes to push us out of the nest so that we can flap our wings. But flap our wings. But again, you are fowl and you got wings. So you get kicked out of the coop. You got kicked out of the coop. So now is the time to spread your wings and be the type of person that you were meant to be, bro. This is one thing I will say to you. Whatsoever happened over in Beauty TV, you see, this right here, eventually you're gonna form a team for yourself. And the channel that you now founded is gonna eventually surpass Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV. Definitely gonna surpass it. It may take 2 years or 3 years, but Fowlwildlife Jamaica gonna eventually surpass Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV. But this is one thing I will tell you. Don't make the mistake of doing to your team members what happened over by Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV. You see, any team members that you have or any team members that you're going to bring in to Fowlwildlife Jamaica, let them know you guys have your own channel. Let them know, let them know to have their own channel. Don't let them hang around you and not investing in something for themselves. Because as I say, they say teamwork make the dream works, but one of the fundamental blocks of team also, team change players. Team players get injured, team players get fired, team players get old and they have to retire. Sometimes teams run into financial difficulty, they file for bankruptcy, and sometimes teams, acquire other teams, and sometimes teams merge to form another team. And within all of that, the members of the team sometimes, a lot of them get blindsided and have to find something else in life to do. So advise you, any members that you will bring on your team, advise them, start up their own channel. Because Fowl, you should have started your own channel long time ago, Fowl. You should have started your channel long time ago, Fowl. I'm telling you. You see it, but they have a saying, say, it's not too late for a shower of rain, and it's raining prosperity on you right now. It's raining possibilities on you right now. It's raining optimistic on you right now. You can see right now that you are not under the shadow of another person, even though you weren't, because you were your own man over there on Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV. But look at you, man. Look at you. You are your own conglomerate right now. You're doing your own thing. And just keep on pushing out the content that viewers have come to enjoy over the years. You know that people love you, Fowl. A whole heap of people love you. A whole heap of people, a lot of people really love you. Really come to really, admire your personality, admire your character, your fearlessness, the adrenaline that pumps through your vein in the time of the hunt. People love that about you. You see it. So we're gonna run piece more of the video, guys, and we're gonna see what Fowl is going on over by his channel.
So what we have to do now, we have some fish, we have pork, we have chicken, because I know most of the people don't eat meat, So, no rasta there. Yeah, see me? No rasta there. So, we don't know that thing that go already. So, we have to cook up a stamp for them and make them feel good and enjoy themselves today. See me? Yeah, man. Yeah, do that for your sound, all you know, see me? And it's adventure in the traffic, see me? Alright. That's the thing. So, get started. Come on, it's all with the Come in. Alright, treat enough people. Yeah, man. We're going to rub some beauty spark on them, you know? Yeah, man. Give them the color there, you know? Yeah, man. So, you know, you go to process already, people. You clean up every fat off our chicken. We don't want them skin neither.
Nothing like that.
Nothing like that. So all of them things
clean them out.
All of them things, the fat, skin, everything.
So guys, what you see on the screen right here is Fowl catering for his guests and cooking for them and making sure that they have a nice time. And Fowl personality is a personality where people can easily gravitate towards, guys. I don't know Fowl. I never met Fowl in my life. Yes, I usually raise Fowl. I usually raise Fowl in Jamaica. Rooster and hen and common fowl. I don't know whether he's a common fowl or a layer fowl or a white fowl, but then just call him Fowl. But don't know Fowl, never met Fowl. But for those of you that have been watching this guy over the years, the guy seems as if he's a person that you can relate to. He seems like a person who you can gravitate to, like you can really hang around Fowl. Fowl seems like one of those person that, he just make you feel happy when you come around him. Fowl seems as the type of person that will uplift another person's spirit when they're down. Yes, he seems like to be that type of person. Fowl, leave it in the comment, tell the people. Even though you don't have to do it, you see it. But Fowl seems to be the type of person who will cheer you up when you're down. It seems like he has that aura surrounding him. A person like Fowl, he will reach places in life, guys. Fowl will reach places in life. You can't keep... This man got God. God is behind him. This guy got God. Yeah, right there, Fowl. Fowl got God. And I know that he believe in God. And Fowl, just keep on doing your thing. As we say, we not come around here on this channel to beat down anybody. We are just dealing with unbelievable events, and I believe that this is an unbelievable event now because, as I said, you guys didn't come out and explain to the viewers what's going on. You guys just went your separate ways, and we have to talk about the things them. And right now, we know that things will work out for you, and things will also work out for Jamaica in Beauty TV. But it's just that the way how you guys went about it, I don't think it wasn't done in a professional manner. But the owner of the company reserves the right to do whatever he wants to do. But I think the viewers that pay the bills deserve an explanation. You see, But anyway, that is just my 2 cents upon the situation. But as you see here, guys, she's doing some curry chicken. Then say Jamaicans always in a slippers. No matter what they're doing, Jamaicans always in slippers. Serious thing. He doesn't shy away from showing his expertise, his culinary arts, his culinary skills. That's what he's doing right here. And, you know, very hardworking guy. Serious, very hardworking guy. He's gonna reach places, man. He's gonna reach places in life. Bless up yourself, Fowl. Bless up yourself. That's how we do.
Do it. You show them how we do it, man. The best part is steam fish. You see me? Yeah, man. That is it. Everybody can get the flesh in it.
And him that, you know, guys. That is Fowl right there.
I just flesh in it. You don't get nothing out of that, you know. Yeah, I get everything. You know.
Big up yourself, me general.
When it comes to food, you would have to eat.
And him that, you know, guys. That's why people love Fowl like that, you know, people. That is why people love Fowl. That's why people love you, me youth, because you just, you just down to earth and easy going, me general. Bless up yourself. Look at that.
One general.
That is it, Fowl. That is it. That is it, Fowl. That is it. Yeah. 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 Yeah, me gen.
That is it.
That is it.
That is it.
Bless up yourself, bro. Guys, I'm gonna drop this channel link in the description. Go over there. Bless up yourself. That's how we do it.
The few subscribers now. That is it.
That is it.
Big up on yourself.
That is it. Yeah, guys, that is it right there. That is Fowl at his best. And guys, I'm gonna drop the link of his channel in the description. Just go over there, show some love, guys. Show him some love. Good dude, man. Big up yourself, Fowl. You know the thing always up. And don't matter what the circumstances in life, bro. Man, no dead, no call him duppy. And you will reach great heights. You see it. Keep on doing the thing, Fowl. You see it. And as I said, the youths them that you will be drawing to come around you, maybe to build your team, maybe you don't want a team, I don't know. I'm just assuming. You know, encourage them to start their own channel too, man. Don't let no man hang around you and don't want to do nothing and don't want to have their own thing. Encourage them to start their own thing. You see it. Encourage them to start their own thing. You see it. So guys, that's how we do it. We feature the Fowl, one-time member of Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV, is now Fowlwildlife TV. Yeah. Bless up yourself, Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV. Bless up yourself, Fowlwildlife TV. We respect everybody because we are all Jamaicans and we are all humans. That's how we do it. We reach there together. We reach the ultimate goal together. You see it? So guys, thanks again for tuning in to Unbelievable, where we discuss unbelievable events, unbelievable situation, and we have just discussed about Fowlwildlife Jamaica, which is, in my opinion, an unbelievable event that is unfolding in Jamaica right now. Alright, so until I see you again on the next video, we can have a dialogue within the comment section, and please be respectful in your comments. I don't block comments on this channel, I don't delete comments on this channel, But all I am begging you, please leave. If you're leaving a comment, please be respectful. You can share your views, but do it in a civil and respectable manner. Okay? You have yourself a blessed one from Unbelievable. I'm out.